Between the chaos of 2020 and it's officially the holiday season, it's the perfect time to de-stress with a little self-care 101. Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny, and in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all 5 quick and easy steps to relax and unwind, even when you want to be lazy and do absolutely nothing. I finally made it in. I'm ready to get settled and situated. This is gonna be very realistic because I'm tired. I've been running errands. Y'all have been keeping up with the vlogs. The days have just been very busy. Some days I like to just chill and do absolutely nothing. So I'm gonna show you all a little bit of what something like that would consist of for me. Today's video is sponsored by Teamy Blends, and our first step is skincare. I'm gonna start off by washing my face really quickly. I'm currently out of my ambi, so I'm just gonna use this Yes 2 cleanser because it's pretty gentle on my skin. Be sure to check out the description box for a list of all of the items used in today's video. So this is what my skin looks like with me just washing my face. I'm not going to pat my skin dry because I like to apply the face mask while my skin is damp. Before I put the mask on, I kind of want to show y'all what my skin is looking like. In the previous vlogs, y'all know it's Vlogmas, so I've been trying to look cute for you all. So I've been wearing makeup some days more than what I really would wear makeup. This is where we're giving the girls. Yes, I've kind of been taking good care of my skin this week, thank goodness, because I've been trying out this new mask, and you can actually use this mask like 3 to 4 times out of the week. So I've definitely been abusing the 3 to 4 times. So this is the Teamy detox mask. This is the matcha green tea one. If y'all have been watching my videos, then y'all know that I was using, this is the beauty mask from Teamy. They recently sent me over their detox mask, which actually is really good. Like I said, since I've been wearing makeup too much, honestly. In the next couple of days, y'all gonna be getting very much fresh face vibes, okay? But the first ingredient, organic aloe, kaolin clay, and matcha green tea, lemongrass. So this one is a very clean mask. Like if you're someone that's really into like good ingredients or reading the ingredients on different labels and stuff, if that matters to you, I'm gonna start putting the mask on while I talk. Then this is definitely a good mask because it's very clean. But since I broke this nail, I just started using my finger because I feel like the pressure is a little bit different for me working the mask into my skin. I like products that really aim at like detoxing. You know how you like detox, like if you know that you've been eating bad, so you'll do a detox to kind of clean the toxins out. I guess when I think of detox, it kind of gives me those same kind of vibes. I'm gonna put it on my neck as well. I'm 29, so we're getting closer to 30. You shouldn't wait until you get older to start doing things that will help your skin or to give you like youthful vibes. I feel like if you're always doing that, when you do get older, you're not trying to correct things that you should have been doing at a younger age, if that makes sense. This little applicator is by Teamy too. Isn't it so cute? Y'all know I'm a sucker for cute girly packaging like this. It's like the little silicone tip on it, because I feel like you get the best results when you use products whenever you just go by what the instructions recommend. So I'm gonna let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then we will rinse it off. But y'all know me, I like to multitask. We're trying to do a few things but just chill for the night, watch a movie maybe, kick back, relax, and do nothing. I'm actually going to go ahead and get my bath prepared. Bath is more so for relaxing, and then after my bath I let the water out and I shower. So that is when I'll rinse the mask off. I look cute in this mask. Who you know built like this? Hold on, I gotta do it. It's only right. It reminds me of the Grinch. Y'all know this scene on the Grinch where he was like
kids today, so desensitized by movies, television.
That's what we're gonna watch tonight. We're about to watch the Grinch. Oh, let's get settled. We're gonna get settled and we're gonna watch the Grinch. That's how it looks. You'll see how my pores are gonna look. You'll see it working. Detox masks get your skin all the way together. Like it pulls the impurities out and then you pop out like, hi. Self-care tip number 2 is of course a luxury bubble bath. Feel free to add or not add whatever you would like to the water. I'll be adding 2 scoops of Epsom salt. Also adding in some of the Dr. Teal's Purity and Hydrate Foaming Bath. If you've been keeping up with the vlogs, then you may have seen where I purchased the Muscle Rehab Bath Bomb for athletes. This is going to help with muscle recovery to revive my tired and aching muscles and joints. I was in a car accident a few months back, so if you know, you know. ᶫᵒᵛ did recently send me their holiday 2020 care package, so I'll be also sipping on the ᶫᵒᵛ sparkling apple cider and everything nice, cold pressed juice. Little snacks to, you know, set the tone, make it a vibe. So after relaxing for about 15 minutes, I always follow up with a shower. Today I'm trying out this foaming body wash that I received from Kapari, if I'm saying that correctly. It's cruelty free and vegan, and it smells pretty good, so I like that a lot. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up with my shower now and rinse off the mask. Step number 4 is, of course, PJs. I'm so happy my PJs fit. We popping tags on our new holiday PJs. If y'all saw the Nashville vlog, then that's where these are from, Macy's. Before I put on my moisturizers or anything, when washing off the mask, my skin just felt really smooth, calm. I don't want to say smooth as a baby's bottom because it sounds like really Destiny, but if you got the mask, then you would know like that's really what it's giving. Sea Breeze from Walgreens. I just wiped this all over my face just in case I missed anything in the shower. Finish off by applying my Pond's, and then I'm also going to take my Teamy Repair Oil, the Teamy Tea Infused. I'm almost out of this. I need some more of this. I absolutely love that oil. I like to go to bed with my skin extra moisturized. I feel like that's when our body is taking care of itself while we're sleeping. I wouldn't say I'm overdoing it, but I just apply a good amount. I like to rub upwards. And then to lock in the moisture, the Teamy Repair Infused Oil, and I just squeeze a little bit on my face like so. It's just the quickest way for me to go ahead and slap my moisturizer on, slap the oil on top. I'm nourishing my skin and I'm applying good products, but I'm not like taking all day to do it. Because lazy days for me is not necessarily not doing anything. It's just like neglecting yourself. It's still kind of caring for yourself. Less is more when you're using products with good quality ingredients. A good face mask every now and then when I feel like being lazy and doing nothing, or a good face mask because I've been lazy and doing nothing, always helps me to keep my skin on point and glowing, just so I can get fresh face vibes. So after I've applied all of my skincare products, this is what my skin looks like up close. But overall, if you just think about the texture of my skin, it is nice and smooth. I don't have much texture going on, not any redness. My skin is not like feeling or looking dull. It's very smooth to the touch. Even if you're not doing the absolute most, just having 1 to 2 steps where you're kind of pampering yourself to still have that self-care vibe going on, especially if you're using it 3 to 4 times a week, baby girl. If y'all want to check out the matcha detox mask by Teamy Blends, then definitely be sure to use my coupon code destiny30. That will get you all 30% off on your purchase. And again, special thank you to Teamy for sponsoring today's video. And I actually want to watch The Grinch. We're gonna like grab some snacks and stuff like that and chill for the rest of the night. Ooh. So we got our cozy PJs on, our obnoxious house shoes. These fit me so good, like, baby. We gotta take an Instagram picture in this. Like it. Even ornament vibes. And these, if you're not new to my vlogmas, y'all know I've had the house shoes for a good little minute. It's just long sleeves, and then it just says ho ho ho. I like that it's not too tight on me for sleeping. It's pretty good. So it's a men's small from Macy's. A man that will wear these pants, that's crazy, because look how they fit good on me. The little tie. You wouldn't even have to put these on at night. If you just want to do this during the daytime too, and you want to lounge in PJs. A relaxing night is not complete without snacks and a movie. Our final step is to relax and chill. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and make my hot cocoa. I'm just gonna take my cute little mug, and I'm actually gonna pour in some milk. You can make it with hot water if you want, but I want to make mine with milk. Pop it in the microwave on the beverage button. So while I wait, I'm gonna go ahead and get my grapes ready. I got all the grapes. Okay, let's rinse these. I'm gonna go ahead and take the hot cocoa. And this is the one I'll be using. Just made some cocoa. I put that on my delicious. Leading up to the holidays is the perfect time to prioritize self-care, especially if it's something that you're not doing already. Between all of the gift wrapping and the shopping and the decorating and just preparing. Right when I opened up Netflix and I went to go to search, look what's first. Classic. Ooh, yes. Oh, it's lit. It's lit. Da, da, da. Got my glasses back on. It's lit, okay? Do you hear me? it's hard to take out time for yourselves because we're so focused trying to take care of others that we may neglect our own self-care. And I know that it's Vlogmas, I'm supposed to upload for you all every day and be active, but realistically guys, some days I really do chill and do absolutely nothing. So I still wanted to show you all a little bit of what that means for me. I hope you all enjoyed this video and find something that you will take away. Again, special thank you to Teamy for sponsoring today's video, and I will talk to you all in my next upload.